In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a ClickUp support ticket system from scratch. We'll start by opening ClickUp in your browser or the desktop app and signing in. Once you're in, we're going to create a dedicated home for all support activity so nothing slips through the cracks. Click on Spaces, choose Add Space and name it Support Tickets. Before you finish, make sure lists are enabled. Lists will give you a clean way to track requests as they move through your workflow. Inside your new support tickets space, create folders to separate different kinds of requests. Add a folder for technical support to capture issues related to software, apps, or systems. Add a folder for customer service for questions, complaints, or general support. And add a folder for billing and payments to handle invoices, subscriptions, or refund inquiries. Clear categories keep your team focused and help you route tickets quickly. Quick note before we continue: if you need ClickUp, I've placed a link to the website and the desktop app download right at the top of the description so you can install or access it easily. Now, inside each folder, set up lists that reflect your ticket stages. Create a list called New Tickets for incoming requests. Create Assigned for items that have an owner. In Progress for tickets being actively worked on. Waiting for response for anything pending client input. And Resolved for completed tickets. Using the same stages in every folder makes performance easier to measure and helps you spot bottlenecks fast. Each new support request becomes a task. Keep task titles short and action-oriented, like reset account password, troubleshoot app issue, process refund request, or answer customer inquiry. Clear titles make searching and reporting more accurate. To give your team the context they need, add custom fields to your tasks. Include requester name so you know who you're helping, ticket type for quick filtering, priority to set urgency, status for clarity, assign team member for ownership, and deadline to keep response times on track. These fields turn a simple task into a complete support record. Next, set your task statuses to mirror your flow. New, assigned, in progress, voice, waiting, and resolved. Statuses make it easy to see where work stands at a glance, whether you prefer list or board view. Finally, use dashboards to monitor everything. Build a high-level view of open tickets, track response and resolution times, identify bottlenecks, and balance the team's workload. Dashboards turn your daily activity into actionable insights. That's it. You now have a ClickUp support ticket system to manage requests efficiently and deliver faster resolutions for your customers. Thanks for watching.